Welcome to our educational video comparing SEO and SEM. Let's delve into the world of search engine optimization and search engine marketing. SEO focuses on organic search results, optimizing websites to rank higher on search engine results pages. In contrast, SEM involves paid strategies to gain visibility on search engines through techniques like pay-per-click advertising. Both SEO and SEM aim to increase website traffic and improve online visibility, but they employ different approaches to achieve these goals. SEO requires continuous efforts to enhance website content, meta tags, and backlinks for long-term sustainable results. On the other hand, SEM offers immediate visibility through targeted ads, but requires ongoing investment for consistent traffic. Understanding the nuances of SEO and SEM can help businesses tailor their online marketing strategies for optimal results. SEO focuses on improving organic search rankings, while SEM leverages paid advertising for quick wins in search engine results. By combining SEO and SEM effectively, businesses can create a comprehensive online presence that maximizes visibility and engagement. In conclusion, both SEO and SEM play vital roles in the digital marketing landscape, offering distinct advantages for businesses of all sizes. Thank you for exploring the differences between SEO and SEM with us. Stay tuned for more insightful content on online marketing strategies.